Welcome back to the world of heavy duty, where you get a front row seat to the raw power of heavy transport machines. Get ready for high-risk missions, epic hauls, and treacherous turns where anything can happen. Oh no! The Chav Express bus got trapped on a mud-covered road, its wheels swallowed by the soft, sinking ground. Despite desperate rescue efforts, the weight was too much. Suddenly, the bus collapsed and sank even deeper into the mudslide. The Hyundai Hanil Ready Mix truck is struggling to climb the steep hill, with the driver facing obvious difficulty. As the front end lifts, the wheels lose traction and momentum slips away. The driver keeps jumping in and out of the cab, fighting to steer and push through the hill's resistance. On a tough journey, the extreme trucking rig hauling oversized cargo suffered a major failure. Overloaded and strained, several tires burst under pressure, sending the truck swerving out of control on the rugged road. The small Sidewinder boat, powered by a roaring 250 horsepower engine, tore through the waves at high speed. Suddenly, a deep rumble rose from beneath the water. Something was wrong. The driver panicked, fearing a propeller issue. As waves crashed harder, tension grew, but the boat pressed on, battling the chaos head-on. The bulky truck thunders down the highway, dragging a heavy-duty barrier behind it. After securing the timber, the driver shuts the gate and uses an excavator to push the planks into the pond. Water splashes wildly as the massive truck trembles under the weight, creating a dramatic and intense scene. In the world of water transport, the Hercules 3 barge, powered by a mighty 1,500 horsepower engine, ranks among the fastest in wood unloading. Its sheer power lets it glide smoothly across the water, handling tough conditions while unloading timber with speed and precision. The Sherp, one of the world's most powerful all-terrain vehicles, packs just 44 horsepower, yet conquers every surface: solid ground, mud, water, even melting ice. Thanks to its unique design, the Sherp tackles extreme conditions with ease.
Ooh, butt clencher.
Is that a pretty funny picture? That is a sketchy spot with all those heaves. Oh, jeez.
Oh my God. With a mighty 500 horsepower engine, the Volvo can lift up to 42,000 pounds with ease. But even with its advanced hydraulics and rugged build, the machine still struggles with stability under such extreme weight. In industrial lifting, the Asia Group DMAG stands out with a 600 horsepower engine and a staggering 1,102,000 pound lifting capacity, built to conquer any challenge. Compared to the LTM Beam's 660,000 pound limit, the DMAG offers superior strength, making heavy-duty tasks more efficient and reliable on any construction site. Wow! What a sight! The powerful diesel truck roars ahead, twin exhaust pipes blazing with fire on its roof. Flames and smoke shoot out with force, creating a stunning display of raw power that demands attention. Backed by Heavy Haul Australia, the powerful Kenworth K104 with its 700 horsepower engine leads a heavy-duty convoy hauling two massive Komatsu mining dump trucks to Pilgrim. Thanks to its impressive load capacity, the convoy moves steadily through tough, unforgiving terrain. In a tense moment at the port, the massive Cat 793 was being hoisted onto a ship when disaster struck. A lifting cable snapped, sending the giant truck crashing to the ground. Dust and debris exploded on impact, throwing the scene into chaos and shocking everyone nearby.
Fuck's sake. Chain broke. Fucking hell. Oh, good God.
The powerful tripler tractor unloads sugarcane with precision, dropping massive bundles neatly onto the ground. Its engine roars non-stop, creating a striking scene as the cane lines up perfectly, ready for the next stage of processing.